Hi. So many of you have signed up for this course. It's heartening. I'm glad you all want to learn web intelligence and big data with me. Before I get into describing what this course is all about, let me give a brief overview how we will proceed. Uh, this is really an overview course. We will touch upon a lot of different material ranging from big data technologies on the one hand to machine learning and a little bit of AI on the other. So in the time that we have, we might not have the opportunity to go into great detail in any of these topics. However, I have arranged for two guest lectures in this course, one on large-scale graph databases, one on a new way of doing AI using statistics and logic together, both of which will delve quite deep into topics which normally most of us might not understand in great depth. But that will give you an idea of things going to their logical conclusion and depth at a graduate level. But for the most part, this course will remain an overview course. You should all be able to get an idea of what web intelligence is about, what big data technologies are, how they all fit together, and an overall sense of unity, which will help you learn much more from a variety of different sources as you learn each of these topics in more depth in other courses. Each week or each unit will be followed by a quiz and a homework assignment, and some of these homework assignments will require you to do programming or data analysis. So be prepared for that. Even if you're not very familiar with programming, try to get a little familiar with Python, SQL, and basic programming techniques in order for you to understand basic ideas in this course. A couple of more points. Please do complete the survey. Let's get to know each other, if only in the aggregate. I promise to publish the results of this survey as soon as it's done, so that we all know where the bulk of people doing this course are from in terms of their background and motivations. Last but not least, the first couple of weeks of this course are recorded with a rather slow speech, deliberately, so I'm not really going to be speaking as fast as I am right now in the next few weeks. It'll go much slower, and some of you might find it tedious, but my experience has been that it's useful. All of you get to know my speech much better, and then when I speed up later on, it's less of a problem for everybody. Those of you who find it slow can fast forward the speech to 2x, and most people won't have any trouble with that. Finally, this week is a short introduction to the material, the motivation, the philosophy behind this course, so it barely has less than 30 minutes of lecture time. Starting next week, however, it'll be a full 1 hour plus of video material and homework and a quiz going with it.